Okay, let us start, people.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 60 questions. Which is an apt example of phenomenal experience? Mating, eating, hunger, and walking. Why you are not answering? So, here 9 people have answered properly. Hunger is the right answer. Mating, eating, and walking, these are actions. They are not experience. Okay. So I hope everybody understood why, what is the first level of noumena underlying a gross experience? Soul, 5 element, mind, and senses. Okay, 5 element is the right answer. That is the first level. Okay, second level of noumena is soul. And third level, kya hua? All right, so I have already told about this. So 5 elements, those who have given, they are the right answer. Did you give 5 elements?
We have given 30 seconds for each question.
You are giving 30 seconds for each question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. सुनो रे, इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ है. Okay. So Leela Govind is the topper. Akshay is the second. Pritam is the third topper. Sachin is the fourth. Premraj. Please, all of you. It is not that they will remain topper. Everybody can become topper. Please. Who is the cause of any bodily action? Soul, mind, 3 modes and senses. Okay, 3 modes. That is the right answer. 22 gave the right answer. क्या हुआ? जब गलत बोला तब हो गया. Suvendu has a streak with 3 correct answers in a row. What is meaning of that?
He answered 3 all consecutive.
He's on fire. Who is the cause of bodily happiness and distress? Mind, soul, senses, 3 modes. Soul is the right answer. And only 3 people have given the answer. This is so shocking.
3 people correctly.
And you have given wrong answer? Arey bhaiya. I have told again and again that the modes of material nature, they are cause of our action. But the soul is responsible for the happiness and distress that is resulted out of such action. And now you say immediately the whole thing has changed. Ajay Gudla is the topper, next is Panchal, next is Leela Govind, and then Tarun, and Akshay has gone to now 5th position. So now let's go to next question. Who understands Krishna as he is after many births? A demon, a fool, a jnani, a devotee. Okay, so that is 19 people have given the right answer. मुझे नहीं करना. मैं तुझे बोला ना मेरा मोबाइल यूज कर. अरे मेरा मोबाइल में इसको यूज कराओ. अभी फिर से कैसे होगा? अरे people just wait. हाँ. Just a moment, people, just wait.
Yes, sir.
Just wait. So my dear friends, until now if you have any question, please ask.
आप क्वेश्चन देख लो, आप सामने भी देख सकते हो. एक वर्ड का चेंज कर दिया. ये मत डालिएगा.
Ready?
अभी होने दीजिए तभी पता चलेगा.
क्या हुआ? हो गया? Okay, people, start.
Next question.
Which verse defines ultimate noumena underlying an experience? 7.4, 7.3, 7.28, 7.7. Which verse defines the ultimate noumena underlying an experience? Experience is phenomena, noumena is the... कुछ समझ में है ना? नहीं समझ में? Cause of the experience. Sarva karana karana. So 11 people have given the right answer. In 7.7, Krishna says, Madaha parataram nanyat kinchid asti dhananjaya. So if you look at, Krishna started in 7.2. Now I am going to tell you what is phenomena and what is noumena. Okay? And the first level of noumena is defined in 7.4, second level 7.5, third level is super soul, and fourth level is Krishna. And that is the ultimate form of noumena, and that is 7.7. So well done, Panchal. It seems you are in fire. Okay, now go next. A person is strongly situated in Krishna consciousness by becoming sinless, controlling mind, performing sadhana bhakti, all of these. Great. 24 people gave correct answers. All of these. So, the tesam tu antagata papam jananam punya karmana. That punya karmana is performing devotional service. Antagata papam. One should become sinless. Okay. And so, Panchal is still on the top. Panchal is still in the top. Well done, Panchal. Ajay Gudla, Sunil, Tarun, Leela Govind, you are all in fire. Let's go. Next one. Who may surrender to Lord Krishna? A fool, a scientist deluded by illusory energy, a meat eater, and Mayavadi. Okay. The right answer is meat eater. And 10 people have given the right answer. Krishna is saying a mudha can never ever surrender to him. A scientist deluded by illusory energy also can never surrender to Krishna. And we already know Mayavadi can never surrender to Krishna. So only one candidate is left, is a meat eater. A meat eater, if he understands by Krishna's grace and devotee's grace that it is bad to eat meat, he can. There are so many meat eaters in our movement, they have become all devotees. So that is the right answer. Now let us see the result. Panchal is still fine. Sunil, Gudla, Pritam, Himansu. Oh, new people have now entered into the arena. Pritam and Himansu. Now let's go. Next question. Krishna is dash in man. Ability, lust, greed, anger. Krishna is dash in man. Oh, so 27 people have given correct answer. Ability. Yes, Krishna. Paurusam Nusu. Paurusam Nusu. Paurusam means ability. Nusu is among men. So Panchal is still at the top. Sunil, Ajay Gudla, Pritam, Himansu. Great competition. Let's go. Next. Which verse is the basis of Krishna conscious movement? 7.7, 7.3, 7.28, 7.1. Seven 7.1 is the right answer. So many times I have told. 7.1. What Krishna is saying? Maya sakta mana partha yoga nyunjan madasraya asamsayam samagrama yatha gyansyasi tasruno. So that verse is the basis of the entire 7th chapter and following all chapters. Right? So 7.1 and hence the basis of Krishna conscious movement. Right. So next. Oh, Panchal still on the top. Subhendu has pipped Himansu to the top. Now, Subhendu is in the contest. We are seeing some interesting. Someone should defeat Panchal. Please, come on, devotees. Go to the next one. Austere yogi hardly sees tonal of Lord, but Bhakta sees Krishna within his heart. Why? A yogi is self-controlled. Yogi is in mode of goodness. Yogi is austere. A Bhakta has received the grace of Guru and Krishna. Okay. Thus, everybody has given the right answer. That's obviously natural, isn't it? The yogi has all the qualities, but he has not received the grace of Guru and Krishna. So this is the... Oh, Sunil pipped Panchal. Sunil pipped Panchal. So, Subhendu pipped Ajay Gudla. Good. Now there is some competition. Okay. Now, go to the next one. Krishna speaks of which yoga in chapter 2? Sankhya Yoga, Karma Yoga, Sankhya Yoga, Buddhi Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga. तुम इसका देख रहे हो कि नहीं? कर दो अलग अलग सब.
अच्छा है, मेरा गलत होगा तो उसका भी गलत होगा.
Okay. Sankhya Yoga and Buddhi Yoga. That is the right answer. Normally people would answer because this chapter is known as Sankhya Yoga and people would answer Sankhya Yoga. No, I have told from verse number 1 to verse number 39 was the Sankhya Yoga and Krishna is saying now I will speak to you Buddhi Yoga. Okay. And verse number 40 to 72 is Buddhi Yoga. Okay. Now there is a related question in the next quiz. Oh, wait. Sunil still in the top. And Subhendu is marching. Wow. Pritam is just there. Great. Now let us say what's happening. Next one. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, chapter 2 is summary of Gita with explicit reference to 3 yoga systems. Which are they? Great. The answer, it is shockingly, people gave more wrong answers than the right answer. The whole results will completely be upside down now. But let me explain. Hey, idiot. You should wait. Okay, the answer why it is Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, and Dhyana Yoga. Sorry, Bhakti Yoga. You see, I have told you, the first part is analysis. Sankhya Yoga, that is itself is Jnana Yoga. Sankhya and Jnana, they are same. And then I have told you, I think 47 to 51 or so, specifically Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, and also after 29, there are 6-7 verses that refers to Karma Yoga. And rest is Buddhi Yoga, which is exactly Bhakti Yoga. And Krishna also tells in the Krishna tells in the 10.10, Dadami Buddhi Yogam Tam Yena Mam Upayanti Te. So Buddhi Yoga and Krishna consciousness or Bhakti Yoga are same, and we didn't see any change as far as the toppers are concerned. They have got the right answer. Let's go. One will attain Krishna if he or she remembers Krishna at the time of death. This is possible if that's a simple question. Great. So, still people made mistake. 24 is only right answers. Okay. So, it seems people think that if one remembers Krishna every day early morning, they will remember Krishna at the time of death. No. Tasma sarveshu kaleshu. Mam anusmara yudhyascha. It's so clear. Mam anusmara. Okay. That is connecting to Krishna. Yudhyascha, your occupational duty. So one dovetails the occupational duty always in Krishna's service. This is simple paraphrase of Tasmat Sarveshu Kaleshu Mam Anushmara. So always here Sarveshu Kaleshu. So that is the only right answer. Let's see whether we have Subhendu has gone up Panchal has been gone down, and Sudhir has, wow, Sudhir is doing so well. Come on, Sudhir. Somebody should give takkar to Sunil. Sunil is on fire. Now let's go. Next question. Dukkhalayam Asaswatam refers to Brahmaloka, Earth planet, Swargaloka, 3 planetary systems. Right, 3 planetary systems is the right answer. Some people have given Earth planet. One person has given even Swargaloka. Okay, 3 planetary system. Abrahma Bhuvanaloka, Punaravartina Arjuna. What is that Dukkhalayam? Napnuvanti. What is that verse? Napnuvanti.
Mamupetya punarjanma dukhalayam ashashvatam.
Mamupetya punarjanma dukhalayam ashashvatam. Napnuvanti.
मामुपेति कौन्ते मामुपेति कौन्ते पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते.
Okay, so before that Abrahma Bhuvanaloka, right? So up to Brahmaloka, everything asaswatam dukhalayam. Sunil is in stop. Subhendu is second. Oh, Sudhir has gone up. Leela Govind has peeped in. Pritam is on the border. Okay, now let's go. Lot of dynamics is going to change. 16th, the minimum duration for which a conditioned soul remains inactive. 8.6 billion years, 4.3 billion years, 100 years, 4.3 million years. Okay, the right answer is 4.3 billion years, because that is the time when the living entities, they remain dormant in the body of Mahavishnu and they remain inactive. That is the minimum. They may be also, during the day of Brahma, they may be inactive in the form of stones, pebbles, but minimum is the night of Brahma, when they rest in the body of Mahavishnu. So that is 4.3 billion years, and this is there in the 8th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. This question is from 8th chapter. You didn't give the right answer. You gave the right answer. Wow. Okay, next. Wow, Sunil. Pritam went off. Subhendu went down. Wow. Panchal still there. Panchal has again come back. Pritam has become second. Good luck. Okay. But I don't see any new name coming up. What's happening? Okay, Subhendu made a big mistake here. Okay, next. Manmana bhava mad bhakta madhyaji mam namaskuru aptly captures Navada Bhakti as defined by Prahlad Maharaj, yogic perfection, liberation, all of this. दे दिया? कौन सा क्या? अरे पहला वाला है क्या कर रहा है? Okay, you see, people have given the wrong answer to the last. It is majority has given wrong answer. So bad, so bad. Manmana bhava mad bhakta madhyaji mam namaskuru. This is the Navada Bhakti as defined by Prahlad Maharaj. My dear friends, you made all mess. Now, I think there will be surprise. Oh, still no surprise. Oh, somebody has gone down. Subhendu gone down. Lila Govind, Are Panchal and Suvendu. Are, something has happened. This question. In yogic perfection, you will attain Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma. Okay. No. This is not all of this. This is the Navada Bhakti. Okay. Now, next. Who is a Mahatma? One who engages in philanthropic activities, an environmentalist, all of these. One who spreads the message of Bhagavad Gita.
ये नहीं लगाना चाहिए ये नहीं लगाना चाहिए
क्यों?
ये थोड़ा नेगेटिव हो जाता है ना इस इमेज के लिए
Are Bipul, majority have given the right answer. Still, there is one wrong answer. That is shocking. Somebody has told, what is that? All of this. Are Baba. You have to purify your consciousness a lot. One who spreads the message of Bhagavad Gita is only Mahatma and not others. That's a very simple question. And I don't think that anything will change in the... but what I am saying, Bipul, the images that come in your Kahoot,
Yes, sir.
that you have selected?
Yes, sir.
You select proper. Why you have put Gandhi there in that image? Okay, next. So, Sunil, Gudla, Pritam, Pawan. Pawan! Suddenly Pawan has come in. Great. Pawan Goyal. Lila Govind has gone down. Wonderful. We are in exciting phase. Next. Nobody is able to peep Sunil. Which is true. Demigod worshipper and Krishna worshipper attain the same destination. A devotee is always protected by Krishna. Jnana Yogi attains the state of Brahman eternally. All paths lead to the same destination. This is a very simple question. I don't think anybody should make any mistake. But let's see. Literally everyone. Why the number has reduced suddenly from 30 to 27? Okay. So, a devotee is always protected by Krishna is the right answer. That's very simple. Next. That is, anybody who can say what is the Kipram Bhavati Dharmatma? Ui! Ajay Gudla, Pipt Sunil, Pritam, Pawan, Lila Govind. Great. Okay, Sunil, you have to be on your toes. Ajay Gudla, Sunil are competing with each other. Now, it is correct. All Andhra, out of 5, 4 is from Andhra. What is happening? Pavan, do something, Professor Pavan. Next. In Buddhi Yoga section of Bhagavad Gita chapter 2, which verse is the essence of for self-realization? 2.40, 2.59, 2.47, 2.41. अरे जीजी कहाँ पे है? अरे भाया, 10 people gave wrong answer. 2.59. I have told so many times, this is the essence of our spiritual concept of Krishna consciousness. Vishaya vinivartante niraharina deina, niraharasya deina, rasovarjam rasopi asya, parandrushva nivartante. Unless we have Krishna conscious experience, we can never progress in the spiritual path. Okay? So this is the essence I think given so many wrong answers, we may see some mistake there. Let's see. Ajay Goodla still in the top. Sunil, Pavan, Pritam and Akshay. Akshay has gone up. One Andhra fellow has been pushed down.
ये रीजनल ये मत करो,
हैं?
मैं तो मजाक में बोल दिया, तुम उसको इतना बड़ा कर रहे हो। नहीं।
मजाक कर रहे हैं? Okay, next. Bhakti, devotional service naturally awakens in one's heart. Krishna is presented as he is in Guru Sishya Parampara. Understands illusory nature of sense gratification. One enters into Himalayan cave for penances. One gives up family and mundane world. "26 gave the right answer. I don't think any change will be there. Let's see. What is the position? Ajay Goodla, Sunil, Pavan, Akshaya and Pritam. So 3 Andhra, 2 non-Andhra. Let us see. Next. Bhagavad Gita, Chaturslaki, refer to 9, 31, 34, 15, 1 to 4, 10, 8 to 11, 7, 16 to 19. Right answer, 25 people have given. Okay. So now you will see Ajay Goodla still in the top. Sunil, Pavan, Akshay, Pritam. Okay. So let's see. We are not still seeing any change in the top 5. They are holding on to their position very strongly. Let's go. Krishna gives Buddhi Yoga to a surrendered soul because all of this is the right answer. All of this is the right answer. Shockingly, so many people have made a mistake. Now let us see what is the situation now. Looks. Oh, Pavan has gone off. But there is no change in the top. 3 Andhrites, 2 non-Andhrites. Let's see. Pavan Goyal is fiercely giving competition. Which of these may act as the torchlight of knowledge for a devotee? He is being hunted by infamy. His wealth is taken away. He is deserted by his family members. All of this. People, you should wait until I explain this answer. All of this, oh, you are all great. 27 people have given right answer. Now you must be frightened, right? Torchlight of knowledge can be, you are hunted by infamy, your wealth is taken away, and you are deserted by family members. Is it not very scary? You have given the right answer. Are you scared giving the answer? Okay. It looks like giving answer is easy. Then going through the okay, so let's see. I don't think anything will be changing there in the top. Let's see. Ajay Goodla, Pavan, Sunil, Akshay and Pritam. Okay. Next. Are Tharun Reddy is not coming? Is he there? Vishwarup Darshan establishes Krishna is the only actor. What role do we have in this world? दे दिया आंसर दे दिया कौन सा दिया अरे रॉन्ग दिया all of these is the right answer all of these is the right answer okay all of these is the right answer 9 people made mistake and they gave the answer I just have to become an instrument of the Lord but a rich man when he finances Krishna conscious activities, he is also an instrument. As a scientist, when he preaches, he is also an instrument. And hence, all of these is the right answer. Okay, so, see, you can see there is some tricky things, right? Ajay Gudla, Pavan, Sunil, Akshay and Pritam, same. There is no change. Sunil has gone to the 3rd position. And Ajay Gudla is ahead by almost 2,000 points. Wow, 2,000 points. He has to make a mistake to be tipped by another person. Let's see, next one. Which verse tells that Lord Krishna sustains this entire universe effortlessly? It is very simple. Everybody should give the answer. Oh, so many mistakes. Really, so many mistakes. Eh? This is so famous verse. Athava bahuni etena. Athava bahuni etena. Kim gyatena tavarjuna. Vishtabhyaham idam krishnam. Ekanksena sthito jagat. Eh? Krishna is effortlessly lifting the universe, sustaining the universe by fragment portion of his energy. And shockingly, people have given wrong answer. And it was a little confusing. I knew when I was thinking many people will make mistake, but I didn't know this will be so, more wrong answer than right answer. Okay. It might have changed the result. Gudla, Pavan, Sunil, Pritam, Akshay still holding onto the position. My dear friends, somebody should pick them. Where is Panchal? Come on. Tarun Reddy, come on. Lila Govind, come on. Let's. What is an act of sacrifice? Teacher imparts skill in occupational duty, fire sacrifice to please Vishnu, farmer engages in organic farming, all of this. What is an act of sacrifice? All of this is the right answer. Majority have given the answer right, but still 4 people have given third answer. That is fire sacrifice to please Vishnu. So there are some people deluded because people deluded them by giving that picture of fire sacrifice. Okay, I don't think the top 5 will be changing. It is same. Okay, next. What is not ordained by your destiny? Your success in your professional career, your taste for chanting, your bank balance and wealth, none of these. It's a difficult question, but those who have heard me should be able to answer it. Your test for chanting is the right answer. Your test for chanting is the right answer. That is not ordained by your destiny. Test for chanting is simply is causeless. It is causeless. It doesn't have any cause. Test for chanting is simply by Guru and grace of Guru and Krishna. Okay? If you have the ability to receive the grace of Guru and Krishna, then it has normally destiny is refers to our action and reaction. Okay, when we say destiny, it is based on the justice, right? That is action and reaction, right? But taste for chanting is beyond this. Okay, so let's say.
पंचाल को बोलो मेरे सामने क्यों बैठा है इतनी देर से?
कौन
हट
पंचाल?
देना है।
हैं? क्या कह रहे हो?
अभिषेक पंचाल
क्या हुआ?
मेरे सामने बैठा है इतनी देर से हट नहीं रहा है।
Same score?
नहीं थोड़ा सा
अच्छा. So the score is almost similar. Almost similar. Let's go. What is destiny? Arey Bipul,
Sir.
can you change this music to some kind of flutes or something?
Yes, sir.
All of this is the right answer. All of them is the definition of destiny in a different way. But they speak of the same thing. हैं? पंचाल पीछे नीचे चला गया हैं? अरे वो तो पहले उड़ रहा था. अच्छा, okay. So Ajay Gudla still in the top. Pawan is catching up. Sunil, Pritam, Akshay. No change in the top 5. Arey. Next. For a yogi, the best friend is, and the worst enemy is. Control mind, uncontrolled mind. So many times I have told, you made a mistake? So control mind, uncontrolled mind. Your best friend is controlled mind and worst enemy is uncontrolled mind. 25 people have given the right answer. So you are doing very well now. So there is no change in the sequence. Let's see. Next. This material world is related to the spiritual world as majority have given the right answer. Material world is perverted reflection of the spiritual world. This is the first verse of 15th chapter. Urdo Mulam Adha Sakham Aswatam Prahurabhyam. Okay? So that is the verse and that is the question, and I think there will be no change in the top. Ajay Gudla and Pawan are very close, only 400, less than 400 points. And Sunil, Pritam, Akshay are holding on to their position. Now let's go. Next question. A sincere devotee feels I am like, but wanna be like. This question was formulated by Vipul Arora. So the answer is, each devotee should feel like I am like Dhritarashtra and I want to transcend to the position of Arjuna, and majority have given the right answer. Now let's see what's happening. Same situation. Ajay, Pavan, Sunil, Pritam and Akshay. Very close, 27 to 25. Okay, next. Tough competition in the top. In Bhakti, we naturally get attracted to Krishna, while in Jnana and Karma, we repress the senses. Which verse is this? Hint is we repress the senses. Visaya vinivartante niraharasya daina. So, that is the right answer. There are many wrong answers here. Hey?
Yes.
Hey? You picked it, okay? Arey Baba. Okay. Akshay, you have to struggle. You have to now work very hard. Ajay Gudla, Pavan, Sunil, Pritam. There is a new one added. I don't know who is this new one. GOPA. Okay, next.
You don't know, right?
Yeah.
We'll see.
Which verse tells the real purpose of Vedas? Sarvasya cha mrudi sannivisto mata smrutir jnanam apohanam cha. That is the right answer. In that verse it is there. Vedesha sarve raham apavedyam. So, now let us say, there are so many wrong answers.
Many people said
Something is-
Vedaham Samatitani.
Eh?
Many said Vedaham Samatitani too, because Veda is there.
So, Akshay has come back now. Okay. So again, as usual, next. Jagannath Mishra donates cows in mind only, as he is a Brahmana, but poor. Which verse is apt? Sreyan Sodharma Biguna Paro Dharma Bhayavaha. Right? So basically, this verse, this particular lila is showing that, when there is a son, you like to donate. And he donated in mind. Right? And okay. Next. Pavan is on the top. Pritam went up. Sunil, Ajay Gudla has gone to 4th position. And Pavan. Well done, Pavan. Well done. Now let us say, act as per your nature, anatta to results. It becomes beautiful act offerable to Krishna. Which verse is this? still so many wrong answers. Yoga karmasu kausala. Your nature dovetailed in Krishna consciousness takes the form of art. Okay, so that's the right answer. Pavan in the top, Pritham in the second position, Sunil in the third, Ajay Gudla is fourth. Okay, there is a tough competition happening in the top, and let's see how long Pavan can continue his position. And let's see. Next. Materialists seek economic development, while devotees should seek majority have given the right answer, spiritual experience. Now, let's go fast. Pritham on the top. Pavan has slided to third position. Pritham is in the top, new conqueror. Pritham, well done. Well done. And Pavan was there in the top for a very short period of time.
आपने
Okay.
12 question at a time सही दिए.
Next. Who?
Back to back.
Who? People become drug addicts and useless because of lack of constructive engagement is the right answer. Constructive engagement is the right answer. 21 have given the right answer. Now let's go. Let's go. Pavan is going down. Pavan is going down. Kaun giving? Okay. Definition of yajna is yajna karma samudbhava aham kratur aham yajna yajna sisto sano santa yajnarthat karma natra. Which one? Where the definition of yajna is there? अरे बिल्कुल ये म्यूजिक को चेंज कर सकते हो?
हम म्यूट नहीं कर सकते.
सर अभी नहीं कर सकते सर, नेक्स्ट टाइम से चेंज करूंगा.
हमारा म्यूजिक बंद हो जाएगा.
यज्ञ कर्म समुद्भव. Hey, go back.
म्यूजिक चेंज नहीं होगा सर अभी.
अच्छा नहीं, I'm saying. So here, this is shocking, isn't it? So many people have given the wrong answer. Yajnarthat karma anyatra lokayam. That verse tells that our actions should be, all of our actions should be sacrifice. Every action should be sacrifice. All our actions should be converted to sacrifice. We should perform our action as sacrifice. But there is no definition of yajna there. Yajna's definition is karma samudbhava. Okay. So 6 people have given right answer. I doubt there is a problem here in the top. Let's see. Pritham, Wakaya. Tarun is in the top. Tarun has come on. Sunil, Gudla, Pritham, 3 Andhrites in the top. 4 Andhrites. Wow. Who? Which Andhrite gone out? Earlier he was there?
नहीं सर ये अक्षय ही चला गया.
No. Earlier 5-4 were there, na, Andhrite? Sudhir. Where is Sudhir now? He's in oblivion? Ore Baba. Okay. Now next. Lila Govind was there. Yajna means action that are regulated by Shastra. All of this done for Vishnu, born of our nature. Right answer, all of this. Right answer, all of this. Okay. See, yajna is must. What is sacrifice? Yajna means sacrifice, right? And our definition of yajna is not fire sacrifice. See, during this quiz, I have made it very clear, right? Sacrifice is completely a different connotation, right? Karma samudbhava. Sacrifice that based on your nature. And you connect to Krishna. So it must be regulated by Shastra, born of our nature, and done for the pleasure of Vishnu. So all of this. So there is, you gave a wrong answer? Arre bhaiya. Okay.
Done for Vishnu Bhaiya.
Okay. So now Pavan is going down. Arre Pavan, hold on to your position. Aye. Pritam in the top. Pritam in the top. Okay. New boss there in the top. Let's see. Why? Why? Eh?
He joined as a new nickname.
Eh?
Now his old score will not have. We'll have to add it manually later.
New score is 690.
Eh?
New score is 690.
690.
619.
90. 90.
Acha, acha. Are people,
Sir,
can you do something? Pavan got disconnected and hence he has used a new name.
sir, abhi to kuch nahi hai, sir. Next time, sir, I think maybe if they join via this Kahoot app, they might be able to rejoin. Sir, abhi to nahi ho sakta, sir, kuch.
Eh?
Sir, abhi to kuch nahi ho sakta, sir.
This time मैं ऐप में करना सर.
Acha. Okay. Okay. Next. And yeah, we will add his new point. Okay. A liberated soul has no obligation, still he acts. Okay. All of this is the right answer. Go, next go. Pritam, Ajay Gudla, Sunil, Tarun, Pavan. Pavan actually is hanging on there because his new points are not getting added. Okay. So we will add Pavan's new number and then we will declare what is the final result. But as of now, Pritam is conquering the world. Next. Vishwamitra, Brahmana, Parasurama, what? Hint, Paradharma. Parasuram is Kshatriya
क्यों क्षत्रिय?
because
Acted as क्षत्रिय ना?
that is Paradharma. It's written hint Paradharma. Vishwamitra was a Kshatriya, acted as Brahmana. Okay, so that's the right answer. Kshatriya is the right answer. Parasuram was a Brahmana, but he acted as Kshatriya. Vishwamitra is a Kshatriya, acted as a Brahmana. Next. Tarun went up. Sunil Ajay, good luck. Now let's see. Essence of chapter 3. Which verse? Which verse? Actually, before you should have added the verse number.
Yes, sir.
Mai Sarvani Karmani 3.30. I had told so many times. Okay. So let us see what's happening in the top. Pritam is still reigning. Tarun, Ajay Gudla, Sunil and Akhay. I don't see any new people coming there. Let's see. Next. What immediately enlivened the depressed Jagadananda? He was okay, everybody has given the right answer. All kudos to everyone. Jagadananda got enlivened. Okay, Pritam, Tarun, Ajay Gudla, Sunil, Akhay. Tarun and Pritam are on the top. Now let us see. The one verse in chapter 2 that is quintessential to receive the message of Bhagavad Gita. Again, give the verse number here also.
Yes, sir.
Shishyate aham sadhibam tvam praparnam. That is the right answer. Only Arjuna, when he surrendered to Krishna, Bhagavad Gita became accessible to him. Next. There is no change still. The same status. Next. Dhritarashtra fails to surrender to Krishna because he thinks he is denied. Is denied what? तू कैसे जोर से बोल रहा है?
सुन लिया क्या? नहीं ना? मैं सबको आता है, उसमें क्या है? सबको आता है, ये कौन सी बात है?
Okay. Justice. Oh, everybody gave the right answer. Let's see. I don't think any change will be there. Pritam, Arey, Sunil went up.
तरुण नीचे आ गया.
Okay. हैं?
तरुण का पावर कट हो गया.
Power cut हो गया? अच्छा. So he is disconnected from the. अच्छा. But how power cut has to do?
He was using PC.
He was using PC. He didn't use his phone. Acha.
Next question.
But we are making use of name of Krishna's counsel.
कमेंट आ रहा है आपको फिर काम नहीं करना.
So that is his problem, not my problem. "26, right answer, Panchajanya. But still there is somebody who has given the wrong answer. Okay, let's go. No changes. Akshaya has gone up because Tarun is not able to answer. So Akshaya has taken the advantage of that. Okay, next. Chapter 3, to conquer lust, Krishna asks Arjuna to strive for. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
कहाँ से मिले
Krishna
इसको
Krishna,
pictures?
Hare Hare.
मुझे लग रहा है ये डोनाल्ड डक है.
Spiritual intelligence is right answer. Right answer. This is the concluding words. Next. Okay. So, hey, Panchal.
तरुण नीचे आ गया ना. पंचल ऊपर चला.
तू तो पांचाल को कह रहा था भाई. पांचाल ऊपर आ गया. Okay, Panchal, you are doing wonderful. You are doing wonderful.
जब मैंने अच्छा किया था तब मुझे क्या बोला? कौन है ये? मैं नहीं पहचानता.
Okay, next. In chapter 4, for acquiring spiritual intelligence, Krishna advises Arjuna to get connected to everybody has given the right answer. All kudos to everyone. You understand Bhagavad Gita. Go, let's go to the next one. Pritam, Sunil, Ajay Gudla, Akshay, Panchal. Chalo. The ultimate form of spiritual intelligence is to understand. Everybody has given the right answer. This is 5.29. Krishna as is. He is the supreme enjoyer, he is the supreme proprietor, and simultaneously, he is also our best friend. All kudos to everyone. No change in the top, no competition. Pritam is going ahead of everyone. 2,000 points ahead. Okay, next. Are bhaiya. Correct. Bhakti Yoga. Still there are some mistakes. Okay. Chapter 6 is Dhyana Yoga, but Krishna doesn't recommend Dhyana Yoga. The best is Bhakti Yoga. Okay. That is the last verse of this chapter 6. What is the verse? Anybody can say?
Yoginam api sarvesham.
Yoginam api sarvesham yadgatanam antaratmana sradhavan ubhajate mam swamay yukta tamamataha. Next. Okay, there is no change. Let's go up. The highest pleasure in material world, that is lowest in the spiritual world. Brahmasukha is the right answer.
उल्टा करके बोलते हैं।
Eh?
Many people give material extramarital
Ah,
opposite.
but that is the lowest extramarital affair, is the lowest pleasure. It's a carnal one. Okay. So now go to the next one. Ori Bhaiya, Sunil went down. Akshay went up. Ajay Gudla in the second position. Pritam is still holding on to. And Bichara Tharun is out of the power. What can we do? Let's go next. So 53rd. A Pandita is a person. Everybody has given the right answer. All kudos to everyone. Okay. Pritam is still up. Ajay Gudla second. Akash third. Sunil fourth. Okay, next. Which of these is knowledge as defined in chapter 13? Majority have given the right answer. All of these are the item of knowledge. Okay, in chapter 13, Krishna says, when you know the knower, when you know the body, and then you have the knowledge. Okay, so there is no change as far as the standing is concerned. Let's go. Life symptoms are not a part of self because they are temporary. Life symptoms are temporary. And self is eternal. Okay. So 25 people have given the right answer, 3 wrong answer. Let's go. Pritam, Ajay Gudla, Akshay, Sunil and Panchal. Let's go. Phenomenon means sense perception is the right answer. Unfortunately, there are many wrong answers. Okay, phenomena means experience. Sense perception is experience. Okay, so let's go. Pritam, Ajay Gudla, Akshay, Panchal, Sunil. Sunil is maintained in top 5 for a long time, but now in the 5th position. Great danger to Sunil. Next. How to enter the spiritual world? how to enter the spiritual world. Which verse tells us how can we enter into the spiritual world? Right answer is the Nirmana Moha Jita Sangha Sukha, 15.5. Okay, now let us go. Pritam is still on the top. Akshay has gone to the second position. And Ajay Gudla is third. Panchal is fourth. Sunil is fifth. And let's see. 10.25 of the Yajnas, Krishna is, which is,
Agnihotra.
Yeah,
Agnihotra.
what have I seen?
क्या हुआ? अग्निहोत्र.
this is very simple, everybody should answer.
आप फोटो लगाए राजश्री यज्ञ का.
Japa. Japa is the right answer. Still there are 9 wrong answers. Let's go.
विपुल पक्का टीचर बन चुका है.
Okay. So Pritam, Akshay, Ajay Gudla, Panchal, Sunil. Okay. Now, let's see. Last but one, Durvikhya means. So famine is the right answer. Okay. Next.
खत्म हो गया.
One more is there.
The last one is test. Last question is rating होता है.
So this is the last. This is the last question. Which of these is part of the soul? Which of these is a part of the soul?
हमारा वही जाते वही.
Huh? Arey, only 9 people gave the right answer. None of this. Neither conviction nor happiness. This is in chapter 13. Happiness, desire, conviction. These are not part of the soul. So none of this. Okay. Okay. So now let us see. Arey, Panchal is third. Akshay is second.
पवन भी हो गया. पवन.
But wait. You add Pavan's and his new thing. Add it. Panchal has done. Beautiful. Pritam, Akshay, Panchal. Arey, Vipul, can you add Pavan's 2 marks? And can you show everybody's mark?
Yes, sir.
What is your mark? Everybody's mark. Pritam 82%. Pritam 82%. Akshay 78%.
Accuracy.
Eh?
Accuracy there. Final score is
as a final score. Is accuracy is no, it is not based on accuracy. Ah, okay. So you see, Sunil is accurate, but Akshay is smart enough. So Ajay Gudla, only to white top 5 you gave all 35 player.
Yes, I'm giving. So this is the
So let me see. So first position Pritam, second position Akshay, third position Panchal, fourth position Sunil. अरे कहाँ रहे क्या कर दिया? हाँ. Sunil, Ajay Gudla is fifth position. Sudhir sixth position. Sudhir is in sixth position. Gopa seventh position. Himanshu eighth position. Madhusudan Mukund ninth position. Bichara Tharun because of power cut remain in 10th position. Sachin is 11th position. Jayant 12th position. Venkat 13. Abhishek Jaiswal 14. Jivnesh 15. Arey go up. And then 16. Arey Gaur Gopal in 16. Really? This fellow never attended the classes and he is 16. Subhendu. For some time he was in the top, but he is 17. Leela Govind 18. Prem Raj 19. Santosh 20. How Santosh? He was not there in the competition. How suddenly he came in? Manish Yadav 21 position. Pawan is 22. Actually, Pawan is not 22. Actually, Pawan you have to add with another. What is his other number? What is other number of Pawan? Are Tarun and Tarun too. Add it.
31,100 something था 10 ना हाँ 3
And Jitendra is 23rd. Devendra Arya is 24th position. Govind Sethi 25th. Subramaniam 26th. Ghai 27th. Kunal 28th. Who is VRS? What is this VRS? Acha, Vishnu Raj Shukla. Okay. 29. Dheeraj 30. Fani 31. Your brother is 31, bhai. And Tarun 2 should be added into Tarun. Then Tarun will go up. And Karthik, Leela Govind. Okay. I thank everyone, those who participated, and I hope you enjoyed this quiz. It might have, this quiz has immediately engages our mind. We don't think anything. So that's why this is a very good way of meditating on Krishna. Okay? And so those who did well, all of you are why Sai Saurabh has not participated? Why Sai Saurabh didn't participate in this quiz? Can somebody tell me? Why Gosai didn't participate? Okay. Thank you very much. I congratulate all of you. Pawan is first.
Yes, I did know.
Acha. Oh, the things have changed now. Pawan is first. Pritam is second. Akshay is third. Panchal is fourth. and Sunil is fifth. So these 5 will get the special prize from me when we congregate together, and let us look forward to our next quiz. Okay. Hare Krishna. Chalo. Good. Good. So people keep this score saved,
Yes, sir.
and for our reference next time.
Sai Sarup Prabhu is busy with assignment.
Yes, sir.
Nahi, this Sai Saurabh should not become a mental fellow. You know, you cannot go away from Krishna consciousness. Who told him that he should be in this thing? By engaging in this activity, you know, he would have improved in Krishna consciousness so much. This fellow is a crazy fellow. Anyhow, what can I do? He never listens to me. Okay. Vishnu Raj Sukla is saying, I joined late due to exam. Anyway, Vishnu Raj, it is not important how much you scored. What is important is that you participated. Okay? All right. I thank you again. And let me thank everybody. Can say 3 times Haribol for Vipul Arora. He did a fantastic job. 3 times Haribol for Vipul Arora.
Haribol.
Okay, thank you. And some of the grossest offender are Radhakant Das, Piyush, Santosh. These people, they are first class idiots. Okay.